We are currently in the Mangrol Taluka and heading towards the Samarda village, which lies in a low-lying depression, because of which rainwater has accumulated till knee length in this village. And also a bigger curse for the village is that because it belongs in a low-lying region, all of its 300 fields are completely submerged into water, and they have taken shape of a ghada, which means a ball, and because of that the entire fields, they are completely soaked in rainwater, because of which the farmers in this region, they face great losses. The entire village, it consists of a population of more than hundreds of people, and because of this season of monsoon, the entire region is soaked in water throughout the 4 months, and all of the water that you see in this in these fields, they will take around the next 6 months to completely drain out, and after which the farmers will be able to field again, and then again do get on with their season of agriculture. Henceforth, how does monsoon create chaos for people residing in Junagadh especially is something to watch out for, because people here, they complain of no action being taken, and the roads that you see were also into bad condition, and now with more and more potholes growing onto this, it becomes difficult for people to ride as well. And what they say is that whenever there's heavy rainfall in the region, we see that the entire roads are completely waterlogged, because of which if a patient or a woman or an elderly person who wants to go across to hospital for treatment is also not possible, and because of which the entire communication and network of this village to the other villages is gone, and it becomes difficult for their survival and existence. From Junagadh with video journalist Mahesh Halwai, this is Sujata Dwivedi reporting for NDTV.